Alrighty, boom. Checking out this market today. We have red day. It is red all over. It's not very good. Right at the top here, we've only got 4, 5 green double digits, so it's not looking that great. And there's not too much happening. You can see here, like they're only at 333 sats. This one's only goes at only at 42. Yo-yo's only at 68, so they're not making much ground on anything realistically. Bitcoin is too all over the joint at the moment. So once Bitcoin settles down and dominance starts to pull back, and there's a little bit more confidence in the market, then we should see a nice little uptick. You can see here, if we come over to coin market cap, everything's red, 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 red. Not bad though. We're in the bull market still. We're still in the bull market. Next year's going to be crazy. So dips are for buying. Dips are really for buying. Like all the big boys are buying right now. Whenever there's a dip, they're buying. So just double your cash as you're putting back in on your dips, and you'll be sweet. Like once we go all time highs could go anywhere, absolutely anywhere. But we'll talk about that in a minute. Let's check out the big dog. The big dog here. We're on the we're pretty well zoomed in on the 4-hourly. It's a nice easy one to look at. I've cleaned up the chart here as well. You can see we're still bouncing on off this trend line here. We've got the 200 as support. So if we were to break that, I would say we're coming down around this area here. So you break this trend line, which is this big uptrend that we've been in for a fair while now, all the way since the start of November. Bang, hit the top here, couldn't break through, down, back up, stopped here, like double top-ish kind of thing, and then we're coming back down. It's broken through this symmetrical triangle. Measured move is actually to this bottom trend line and the 200, so it's at that point now. It's had a bearish retest as well, so that's not that great for the bullish case, but the bulls need to show up right now and push this price action to all-time highs again and push up to the top of this trend line would be really nice. If they don't, we're coming down to this level here, 13.7, 14-ish. I would say, like, you have a good double top here, and the measured move is actually down to this support. And also, funnily enough, the measured move out of this this rising wedge is actually down here as well. So it kind of works out the same. And these rising wedges should break to the downside. There's a 68% chance that they do break to the downside. So it's more likely that it can break to the downside and break down and come down around this nice support here. Now we jump over to total 2, which is altcoin market, and it's kind of just bouncing off this. Could form a bit of a double top, and if you look at it upside down, you've got an Adam and Eve double top. So if you looked at that the other way, to be a nice Adam and Eve double bottom. So if it breaks down through this resistance here, which is at the 200, or this support here at the 200, then there's a good chance we'll see down here for the altcoins. And altcoins can bleed hard. They can bleed hard in this market at the moment. You can see that here with Ethereum, it's doing the exact same thing. So it looks like an Adam and Eve double top. So if we just draw a line here, then if it comes down to that 500 mark, let's say 500, because that's a nice psychological barrier, then the measured move out of that will be from here to here. So we'll do that. We'll push that down to there like that. It's a bit the same as what is coming there right now. So let's look at this, and we're probably looking at 370s, 380s, somewhere there will be our support, which funnily enough lands us on this nice little support here. So keep that in mind with Ethereum. It's starting to look a little bit like rolling over, but you could set stop loss down here somewhere, and if it does roll over, then it's probably going to roll over. Like this here is come back up. That's a bearish retest, and now we're coming back down again. So every time it hits this 200 again, the support weakens. So if we go through, we'll definitely hit here. If we break through here, good chance that we'll break down here as well. But dips are for buying. Get in. We have over here on Binance, you can see that there's a lot of coins at the moment that have got double-digit red. So if you're shorting at the moment, then it's a pretty good day for you. And I'm not too much into the shorting game at the moment, the way Bitcoin is. So I just stay with my longs. But realistically, you're looking for here for any big caps that like Bell, that's not too bad, 10%. Any big caps that haven't pumped hard, like Rose has pumped hard, Audio's pumped hard pumped hard, Wing pumped hard the other day, then you could look to hop in as a reversal. But there isn't too much going on here. Uni might look okay at 7%, and this, yeah, that could look okay at 7% as well. They recover quite quickly as well. So, A will lend, then they will be a pretty reasonable look at. Now, let's hop over to a bit of news. We have insanely bullish Glassnode CTO predicts Bitcoin to 10x from here. So I'm super bullish on Bitcoin. I think it's going to go to the moon, and a 10x I think is pretty easy over the next few years. I think we'll easily see 10x out of Bitcoin, easily. And with all of our altcoins, we will see good 10x's and more. BNB is one to watch. It's the biggest exchange. It's got the most volume, like Binance here got the most volume, it's got the most people trading on it, so it's a good coin to have a little bit of a long-term approach as well. If you want to jump on to Binance, just click the link below, get 10% off your fees. Also, join me on Telegram. I'm on Telegram, and you'll get all the news virtually instantly as it comes out. All right, if you like what I'm doing, give us a like, give us a comment, and subscribe.